Hey guys, long time no see, and I wanted to make a video but I didn't have time to sit down and film one yet, and I have some planned. So I decided to do kind of like a vlog type of thing. I have some errands to run, and I don't know, I want to get more into just like filming and kind of create like a schedule for myself, because I'm super busy. Like I go to school full time and I work part time, so I'm always doing something, and I feel like if I don't have a schedule to like follow, then like I just push it off and I don't have time to do anything. So let's go run some errands. I have to ship out a dress because I'm selling some of my clothes on Mercari, whatever. I have my link down below if you guys want to see if I have anything that you'd like. Like I have some things that I was cleaning out my closet because I need to make space, and I have to clean it out again because I have to make more space, because I just keep buying shit, like I can't stop. So I have to ship out a dress, I have to buy some groceries for my meal preps, and maybe I'll show you guys some meal prep videos. Like I've been on this health kind of like kick, and I've been meal prepping, and right now I can't really eat solid. Well, I can eat solid food, but they have to be soft because I got my molar taken out and like a bone extraction, all that. So if I'm talking weird, it kind of feels weird to talk, but I don't think I sound weird or anything, but that's why. And yeah, obvious changes. My hair is longer, I got extensions, and I'm gonna make a video about that, so I'm not gonna talk too much about that now. But I have to put gas, I'm gonna eat lunch with my boyfriend. That's it. So I'll take you guys along with me. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys while I was driving and stuff. Should have gone the other way, whatever. But I don't have like a stand, so if this is like a weird angle, whatever. Hopefully I'm also talking loud enough so you guys can hear. Let me put on the radio. So I don't know, I've been trying to like get more comfortable with the camera and stuff like that, and I want to make videos every single week, because I know that's like gonna help you guys get to know me better and kind of feel more connected towards me, because I feel like I don't have a lot of videos on right now, and my videos are very spaced out. But it was also because I don't know, I think I was just taking it too seriously, and like I didn't think that, I don't know if you guys can hear me, I think I was just taking everything too seriously, and like I don't know, like I wanted to kind of have one theme, or like just do makeup videos, or just do fashion videos or whatever. But I'm into a lot of things. Like I like eating good and working out and doing like all that kind of lifestyle stuff as well. So I don't know if you guys would be into that, but that's what I think I'm gonna do, because I don't just do makeup, and I also don't wear makeup every single day. I used to, and I don't know, like by the time my face started clearing up and like things like that, I didn't feel the need to wear makeup. Like I have makeup on right now, but this is kind of like my everyday makeup when I want to wear makeup, but I don't want to like do a full face. And I might do a tutorial on that, because I feel like a lot of people, I don't know, maybe some people will enjoy it. I don't have a lot on, just like concealer, a little bit of foundation just to keep it a little bit more even, bronzer, highlight, eyebrows, and some mascara. But that's it. Like I don't have eyeshadow on. I use like my bronzer as my eyeshadow. But whatever, I'll do a tutorial on it. probably. And what else? Maybe by the time this video is up, I don't know if it'll, like, I have a haul planned, but I'm waiting for the package to come in from Pretty Little Thing, and I don't know if that's gonna be up by the time this video's up. Probably not. I'll probably upload this video as soon as possible, so then I can have time to film it, edit the other one, because I'm gonna do kind of like a try-on haul. So yeah, I have a lot of things planned, and I'm sorry if this is like rambly, or if, I don't know if you guys like care, but I don't know. Hopefully this vlog comes out good and I get more comfortable like talking to you guys and with the camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep driving. When we get to Walmart, I'll show you guys what I buy. I'll do like a little grocery haul and kind of like a meal prep tutorial. Do more meal prep videos. So I have a lot of exciting things planned. Okay, so I was gonna film like my trip to Walmart, but going to Walmart is so stressful. Like, I don't know how it works in the Walmarts where you guys live, but the Walmarts in Miami, just anywhere in Miami, like, people run stop signs, they don't look when they cross, like, they don't look when they're backing out. It's a whole mission, and it's a whole, like, I'm stressed. So, but we got out of there finally, and now I'm on my way to eat with my boyfriend, who works not even that far away from me, or the Walmart. So it's on the way. I'm gonna pick up some food. I think I'm gonna eat, well, he's gonna have pizza. I'm gonna have an acai bowl, because I'm trying to, although acai bowls have like crunchy stuff, I'm gonna ask them to like take it out. But yeah, I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay.
See what happens, you niggas, when y'all leave me alone? And I eat out here like a fucking...
Stop, I'm filming.
Or a fucking barrack.
Stop! But we don't curse on my channel.
You don't curse on my channel. You don't curse
This is
on
my
channel.
acai bowl. I didn't get any granola. What you eating?
Ah, I'm eating a leaf.
Yum. We eating good.
You don't want the soda, right? But do you want water?
No. Oh, water, yes.
Here we are live.
Here we are live.
Worst fucking job ever.
We don't curse on my channel.
It's a little late for that.
No, I'm gonna beep you out. Yeah, I am.
You should be having that unedited original live footage in your videos, bro.
It's gonna be edited. I mean, it's gonna be unedited, but I'm still gonna beep out your bad words.
What?
Potty mouth.
Well, that's not unedited. You gotta get the raw footage, bro. Today was not my day. She didn't tell me I would have been nicer today. It'll be
Your
fun.
uniform. Okay, we're gonna eat. And then I'm gonna ship out my dress. And then go home, do homework.
What an interesting day, huh?
I bought tissue paper. And I'm gonna wrap the dress in the tissue paper, and I'm gonna put a sticker on it and do like a little thank you note.
Oh, thank you, no. Thank you.
I love you.
Mm.
Oh. You know, these glasses have broken like 5 times, but I keep popping in the lens again.
Considering they're yours, it doesn't surprise me.
But they're the ones I got from that ambassador thing that I told you I didn't like. Maybe I'll talk about that, or maybe not. I don't know.
About that dickhead?
Should I?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't like him. I don't like the owner. He's sketch.
But, and you know,
And these things are expensive. Not only, like, I got them super cheap, obviously, because I got like 60% off. But they're super cheap, and you know how much they cost? Guess. How much would you buy those for?
Like $5-10.
Yeah, they're like $60. $60-$70 plus shipping. They took forever. They came from China. Like, they look good on you. Yeah, I'm not buying from them again. I don't support that. And I'm not giving out my code. Even though they told me I would get like money.
Insert your code right here.
I don't even know what it is. Ambassador, some numbers. We're gonna eat.
There's a nice strawberry you got there.
Give me a garlic roll. Hey guys, so some time has passed. Obviously, I'm in different clothes and all that. But I'm gonna start cooking for the week, and I'm gonna show you guys like how I prep it, what I do, how I separate it, what I pack for the whole day, because I usually go from work to school or from school to work on weekdays. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking today. I'm gonna make spaghetti squash, which I've never done before, cauliflower rice, which I've also never done before, and I'm gonna alternate those two just so I don't get bored throughout the week. And then I'm gonna do ground turkey. And now that I'm like thinking about it, I should have gotten more veggies, but I didn't, so it'll be fine. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So sorry if the lighting is a little off. I'm obviously not in my room where I usually film. I'm in the kitchen. And so this is what I basically buy almost every week, obviously, like what I cook. So these things change depending on what I'm cooking, but some things stay the same. So I always get yogurt. This time I got Greek plain yogurt, which is what I got last time, but a lot of the times I get Light and Fit, or whichever yogurt is low in sugar and low in calories. And then I got some feta cheese, which is gonna be for the spaghetti squash. Ground turkey, I usually get this brand. I've never gotten it in this packaging before, but it was cheaper. I usually get the one that comes in like a basket. I don't know why this one was cheaper. It was like the same exact thing, but we're gonna use that. A spaghetti squash, the cauliflower rice. I always get apples, and even though I can't chew apples right now, I use them for smoothies. Some coconut granola, which I get at Aldi's, and I eat that with. And I forgot one thing. Recently started buying more frequently, and I use these in smoothies. I'm trying to drink more green smoothies, and I'll also use them as like a side dish. Like I'll make a kale salad to go with whatever I make, or yeah, these are good. So I might use, since I didn't buy that many veggies, or I didn't buy any veggies, I might use the kale for a side dish. Probably make like a salad out of it or something. So this is basically what I buy for the week. Okay, so I'm better set up now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm cooking and how I'm cooking. I'm gonna follow a video from flexible dieting, flexible something. I'm gonna link his video down below for the spaghetti squash, so you guys, because I doubt you guys are gonna be able to like do it following my video, because I don't know, I'm doing it for the first time. So I'm gonna link his video down below, so if you guys want to make it, you can make it. So in the video, stabs it with a fork. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's a lot harder to do this when you have long nails. He makes it look so easy in his video. He's just like, and I'm like struggling. wrapped it a bunch of times. Now we put it in the microwave. Okay, so the spaghetti squash is in the oven. And now I'm gonna start cooking the ground turkey. And I was gonna do like a step-by-step, but I'm not gonna do that anymore because that's not gonna work out, because I kind of just wing it as I go along. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so I have this cooking now, the turkey. I just seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some parsley leaves. And then I put some diced tomatoes, like from a can. Let me show you guys which ones I use. Just this one. I didn't use the whole can because I'm gonna put tomato sauce on the spaghetti squash. So I didn't want it to be too many tomatoes. So that's how it's looking right now. Hey guys, so it's the next day because yesterday my house got a little crazy and I couldn't finish filming, but I still wanted to put this in the vlog. So I cooked the spaghetti squash. I had the turkey, the ground turkey. And what I do is I separate them into these containers. You guys can see them here. And I bought these on Amazon, and there was different like selections. Like you could do one that was with no compartments, one that had 3 compartments and 2 compartments. I got the ones with 2 compartments, but I actually wish I had gotten just the regular 1 compartment ones because I don't really have a need to separate anything. So these 2 would be for Tuesday and Wednesday along with their sauces. And then for the day, I have 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt with some honey, a little bit of granola. I have the sauce for the meal, which is the same as the other 2, and then these. And then for Thursday and Friday, I froze 2 like servings of the turkey, which is 1/4 cup. And then I'm gonna make the cauliflower rice on Wednesday night and then separate these 2 into compartments. I usually just do it all at once, but since I've never made the cauliflower rice, like I just decided to make it later on in the week so that they don't go bad. Okay guys, so that concludes our first vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoyed following me around today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and comment and follow me on my social media and all that good stuff. Thank you so much.